In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install Messenger app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to the App Store. If you cannot find App Store on your home screens, just swipe down to bring up search, and then you need to just start typing App Store. You can just enter AP, and right here, as you can see, it shows me App Store as a search result, and we can start it from here. Now guys, we need to tap right here at search, then tap at search bar here, and then just enter Messenger here. That's how we can easily find it. And now if we get into it, we can easily hit at this button. In my case, the button says open because the app is already installed on my iPhone, but if you do not have it installed, it will say get, or instead of the button here, there will be located a cloud icon, and it doesn't really matter what you got here. Just tap at a button or at a cloud icon to install the app on your iPhone, and when the installation is complete, you will be able to open the app by clicking at the open button right here, and also it will put Messenger app icon on your home screen. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.